Today we're going to be looking at some of the trading strategies that I'm personally going to be trading on my algo trading to $1 million challenge. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. Hey traders, I hope you're all going extremely well. My name's David and welcome back to my channel where I go through profitable trading strategies. So as part of my trading to $1 million using algos and bots, today I thought we'll go through some of the strategies that I'm going to be connecting up to create my first account, which I've named in the light of crypto, Win Lambo. So let's get over to my computer. Let's have a look at the strategies that I'm connecting. Okay, here I am on my computer. As you can see, I've put together an Airtables spreadsheet where you can see all of the trading strategies. I've also created an inbox which alerts me on Telegram when there's a new strategy added or a strategy which could be interesting to me. There's a couple of filters that I've set up here, including that I don't want multiple take profit strategies, that it's been trading for more than 90 days, and that the incubation delta is more than 0, which means that when we took it out of the back testing, that there is actually profit in live trading. So these will actually alert me directly in Telegram. I also have a couple of watch lists, so things that are over 6 months, and also some strategies that are particularly interesting to me. Finally, I've put together a couple of strategies that I'm going to be looking at to re-optimize. This one here was optimized on MEXC. I'm going to be backtesting it on Bybit to make sure it works as well. And finally, which is most important today for the video, you can see my live accounts here on Bybit. So you can see that all of my strategies here in one bundle. Then I've separated them into separate accounts, which I've called weird names, which are my targets, I guess, kind of in a way. This one's called Lambo. This one is my Chateau in Spain. We also have early retirement, a casino account for me to test strategies on a live market, but not use as much capital, but kind of is a risky account. We also have the Bybit WSOT account here, which I'm going to put some strategies, maybe a little bit more risky, but for me to try and compete in the World Series of Trading competition. Okay, today we're going to be looking at the Lambo account. We're going to be looking at the coins that I've chosen and also the strategies. So the first strategy is on Rune USDT, and it is this strategy just here. It's going to be using the silent surge. Now this is one of the more risky strategies out of all of the strategies that I have actually chosen. As you can see, it has gone through quite a bit of ups and downs, but in general is moving up in the right direction. I've noticed that September has been a particularly bad month for most bot trading, so hopefully they'll get a bit better as we come to the end of the month and go into October here on crypto. This strategy here has had 204 trades completed and closed in the incubation period, and it's been incubating since March. Now, like I said, this is probably one of the more risky strategies. Let's go and have a look at the chart itself. So the silent surge uses a couple of indicators for our actual entries. It uses the JMA. The JMA is going to be our baseline entry. We have the TDFI, which helps us to confirm our entries, and we're going to be using the volatility quality indicator for confirmation using a volatility indicator. As always, all of my strategies use the NNFX plan, and as you can see, we just had 2 wins in a row on this strategy, so looking good as far as I can see. Next strategy which we're going to be running is on Sol USDT. This one here, the precision trend on the 30-minute time. This one has been optimized by Gentle Sir, and we're going to be trading this one on Sol. As you can see, through the back testing period, it had 334 closed trades. The forward testing results look pretty coherent in comparison to the back testing results. If I go down a bit, you'll be able to see that July, August, and September were all in the green. Past 7 days and the past 30 to 90 days also. We can see the win rate is currently at 51.56%, which is a little bit lower than what it was, but still pretty coherent. Max drawdown was a little bit higher, but I have actually reduced the leverage, but hopefully we'll be able to get that down to at least 20% before trading. Okay, next strategy we're going to be doing is the McGinley on Link. Now this is one of my preferred strategies and was optimized by Marco B. The equity curve looks absolutely amazing on back testing and also on incubation. direction. Currently, since it's been live trading, it's made 636%, which is absolutely amazing. If we go down, we can see that it's been incubated since November last year, and each month has been doing very, very well. September has made 15%, August only 1%, July and all of the months of this year have been pretty much in the green, so doing extremely well. Very interested in seeing how this strategy continues in the future. Now, the McGinley strategy, let's have a look at what's actually involved in the strategy itself. McGinley uses a couple of indicators. The most important one is this McGinley line here that gives us our trend direction. This line here helps us to find our entries and is been a very powerful indicator for some of our strategies. Most recently, it made 3 wins in a row and currently just took a loss. The next strategy is the Heikin-Ashi Chandler exit trading strategy, which I built quite a few years ago now. This is on Ethereum and was optimized by Gentle Sir. Look at this equity curve. It looks absolutely brilliant on backtesting, and on live trading it looks just as good. The win rate was 58.6%. And then if we go down, on live trading we're currently at 60%. So it's very much in the ballpark of what we expect. In recent data, over the past 7 days we're currently a little bit down, but last 30 and 90 days looking absolutely brilliant. Now, this indicator uses the Heikin-Ashi overlay and also the Chandler exit for this setup and looks absolutely amazing. I'm certainly looking forward to actually trading this one. The next one down is the Stiff Stone on BTC USDT. I did a video about this on Monday. And our last one is TradingView, one of the favorite indicators for our community. TradingView based on TradingView, an indicator that gives us our entries as well, also optimized by Gentle Sir. We on incubation, so live trading, we're currently up 800%. Bit of a hard top at the moment, but looks like a perfect opportunity to come in and trade this one. Last 7 days is up, but as you can see, we were down a bit over the last 90 days. The win rate is 51.85% on live trading. We were expecting around 51%, so it's very much coherent in what we're expecting. There was 280 closed trades, and also in backtesting, or live trading, sorry, we also have 54 closed trades. So we're all up, ready to go. The $1 million trading plan is ready. Hopefully all goes according to plan. I'm really happy to say that we had our first trade the day that I did my video on Monday, and it was a winning trade. The first account is currently up 1.08%, which is absolutely amazing, giving us our first winning trade. I'm really looking forward to being part of this journey with you guys, and hopefully as I go along I manage to find some formats to do for you guys for interesting videos. Plan also to do some more backtests and find some more indicators, because like I said last week, these are all going to be done by bots, so other than keeping an eye on them, I really don't have a huge amount of work outside of that, so I'm going to be backtesting and also finding new indicators. I personally think that research and looking into new indicators and new methods is essential to the success of any algo trader out there. So I hope you continue to join me whilst I go through and backtest some more indicators and live trade transparently in front of all of you guys. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. A quick video about all of the strategies that I'm potentially going to be trading. Without further ado, take care, keep safe, trade like a boss, and I will see you on Friday. Take care. Goodbye.
Come on, David, and once again he's gone to code a new strategy. He'll be back in just 5 minutes. RSI and MACD.